Hello and welcome to Pro University. This advanced marketing training is essential to all internet marketers, but in combination with the LSN tool suite, this marketing has the potential to dramatically improve your online marketing efforts. I'm Lakita, corporate trainer with LSN, and this is course number 1, Introduction to Modern Marketing. This class will introduce you to the world of modern marketing and provide you with a big picture view of everything you need to successfully generate leads and seal deals on the internet. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Let's start with the biggest question of them all. Why modern marketing? Why not stick with traditional marketing strategies? Well, before we can understand why modern marketing is transforming the way the world does business, let's take a moment to think about traditional marketing. In traditional marketing, companies focus on finding customers. Generally, they use techniques that are interruptive. These techniques could be anything from cold calling and print advertising to TV commercials and junk mail. But what do I mean by interruptive? Interruptive simply means that there's a message pushed upon you when you don't ask for it. For example, you're watching your favorite television show and suddenly a commercial comes on. Well, you didn't ask to see that commercial at that given time. The marketers or the company decided to take advantage of your undivided attention to push their marketing on you. But technology is making these strategies less effective and more expensive. For example, caller ID blocks cold calls. And I'm sure there are a number of you watching this training that have TiVo or some type of DVR, which makes TV advertising like commercials less effective. Spam filters block mass emails, and the list goes on. I could use Pandora or Apple's new, I think it's called Apple Music, as an example, as they both block radio advertising. The point of the matter is, it's still very possible to get a message out using these channels, but it's going to cost you a lot more. Traditional marketing is interruptive and marketer-centric. The traditional way of doing things is convenient for the marketer because they can push content in people's faces whenever they want, even when the potential customers don't want it. But modern marketing flips this model on its head. So what is modern marketing all about? Well, modern marketing is a fundamental shift in the way we do business. Instead of that old interruption-based message where the marketer or salesperson had all the control, modern marketing is about empowering the potential customer. Instead of interrupting people with television ads, modern marketers might create videos that potential customers actually want to see. Instead of buying display ads in print publications, modern marketers could create a business blog that people would look forward to reading. And instead of cold calling, modern marketers create useful content that prospects can contact them when they want more information. Modern marketing is marketing focused on getting found by customers. It's customer focused. It's helpful. Now, wouldn't you prefer to deal with a business that is focused on your needs instead of their own? You've probably come across some of your favorite brands actively practicing modern marketing strategies. It's that problem-solving blog post that shows up near the top of the search engine. Or it's the new solution you discovered on LinkedIn recently, or the product review that you found on Facebook. Modern marketing is about being a part of the conversation. Being a part of that conversation means sharing helpful, relevant content with the world. It's about drawing people in. And most of all, it's about creating marketing that people love. In today's world, buyers have all the power. Think about the process you went through the last time you made a purchase. Did you call up a salesperson asking to buy something? Or did you hop online and do some research? I'd be willing to bet that it was the latter. It's time for you to support that buying process. It's time for you to join in and empower your potential customers to make the right decisions for themselves. So how do you actually do modern marketing? Well, the best way to start is by understanding the modern marketing methodology. Here it is. It illustrates the 4 stages that make up the modern marketing and sales process. These stages are attract, convert, nurture, and close. Listed along the bottom of the methodology are the tools companies typically use to accomplish these actions. The tools are listed under the stage where they first come into play. But that's not the only stage where they're applicable. Some tools, like email, can be essential to multiple stages of the methodology. Starting at the beginning, on the left, you need to attract strangers to your site, turning them into visitors. Some of the most important tools to attract new users are blogging, optimizing your website with keywords, and social media. But it doesn't end there. Once you've attracted new users, the next step is to convert some of them into leads by gathering their contact information. At the very least, you need their email addresses. Contact information in the world of modern marketing is currency. In order for your visitors to offer up that currency willingly, you need to offer them something in return. That payment comes in the form of offers like ebooks, white papers, or tip sheets, whatever information would be interesting and valuable to your prospects. You can convert visitors into leads by using what's called, as you might have guessed, the conversion process. Website components like calls to action and landing pages or capture pages can entice these visitors and help get you information about them. So let's move along. Now that you've attracted the right visitors and converted the right leads, it's time to build a relationship with those leads. In the nurture stage, tools like email can be used to help say the right thing at the right time. And finally, it's time to transform those leads into customers. Modern marketing is all about providing remarkable content to your users, whether they're visitors, leads, or existing customers. Just because someone is already a customer doesn't mean that you can forget about them. Modern marketers continue to delight and engage their customer base, turning them into happy promoters of the products and services they love. Now, what you don't see written in the methodology is analyze. Why do you think that is? Well, it's because analysis is a part of every single thing you do with your modern marketing strategy. Anything you do, any piece of content you create, any campaign you launch, or any marketing action you undertake should be analyzed. To be a true modern marketer, and a truly successful one, you need to know what's working, what isn't, and how to implement new solutions and improve your efforts as efficiently as possible. And again, the only way to do this is by taking the time to analyze your work. And that is why modern marketing is changing the way the world does marketing and sales. In the next video, you will learn the necessary best practices that make up a strong modern marketing strategy. I'll see you there.